course, the syringe here has 3 cc's in it, so this is the third syringe. So what's 3 plus 3?
6.
And what's one more than 6?
7.
When we get up to the number 2 one here, we've given it 7 cc's of milk. See, we're up to number 2. That means I have 2 cc's left. Mommy cat, and I know who the daddy cat is too. I don't see him much, but I see her a fair bit going to the hay pile, so you figure there's going to be not too fast. Just take your time. So I figured there might be some kittens in there.
In the hay pile.
It's not her first litter of kittens, but she's injured. That's why this one's probably came out of the hay pile looking for something to eat. Couldn't see where it's going. Barely had one eye even cracked open.
Seriously?
To live. So 9 cc's of milk is a pretty good meal for this kitty. Put it in there, that might be all this cat can do.